This is how we at Everyworks Singapore perform our aircon chemical overhaul process. Step 1. Clean the following aircon parts. We will thoroughly clean the following aircon parts due to accumulation of debris and dirt, preventing issues like ice formation or uncooling. Step 2. Vacuum drainage tray and pipe. Vacuuming the water drainage pipe can help to increase your aircon's lifespan and prevent any aircon leakages. Step 3. Full dismantle of the aircon unit. We will disassemble the air conditioning unit, including the fan coil and blower wheel, to access all internal components. Step 4. Chemical cleaning of internal parts. The system is thoroughly cleaned using specialized chemicals to remove dirt, mold, and grime, improve air quality, and prevent clogs and water leaks in drainage trays, pipes, and fan coils. Step 5. Reassembling the unit. Once all parts have been cleaned and inspected, the unit is carefully reassembled and reconnected. Step 6. Testing and performance check. As part of our aircon chemical overhaul process, our technicians will be checking the following aircon parts to ensure that there are no common issues. Check out the difference before, during, and after our aircon chemical overhaul process. Looking for professional aircon chemical overhaul services in Singapore? WhatsApp us now at 82410032.